Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2020 BMW X5M competition. 617 horsepower, twin turbo V8, and you have 553 pound-feet of torque. I've always been a huge BMW M guy. I love BMW M cars. I personally own an M3 2021. Awesome cars. So this vehicle, you have shift paddles right here, and you also have your M configurable buttons, M1 and M2. Full digital gauge cluster. You can turn the exhaust button on and off here, and you can also put M mode over there as well. Here's your M gear shifter. You have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system with massage seats, heated seats, and ventilated seats. Carbon fiber interior trim, as you can see there, it looks really nice. And you have like this beautiful hexagon trim, perforated leather. It says X5M competition on the door sills, nice touch. Gorgeous wheels on this car. BMW laser light technology, full LED headlights, black kidney grills. If you get a regular X5M without the comp, you're going to have silver kidney grills. The wheels look amazing. Giant blue M brakes. Quad exhaust, black exhaust tips, X5M competition badge over here. And here's your trunk space in this vehicle. You can use that for tailgating. I like how that's automatic. Tailgating, or also to get like some extra stuff in there. You know, groceries, or you have like a big item, you can just do that. You have sunshades, as you can see over there. Here are your rear seats, rear heated seats, not ventilated though. Very sinister car. Here's your reverse camera with the 360-degree camera system. You can change the intensity of the gear shifts using this little button, 1, 2, and 3. Yep. And then you can push it over like twice to go into manual mode, but I'll just keep it in normal mode for now. And you also have the wing mirror tips, wing tip mirrors, which look phenomenal. I love BMW M cars, man. There's really nothing like them out there. I used to have an X3M as well, awesome car. I've driven the F85 X5M. I've never driven this generation of the X5M. This is my first time. Oh my God, that is fast. And it sounds ridiculous. Oh my God. Obviously the handling's phenomenal even for an SUV. BMW M knows how to make phenomenal vehicles. Steering is perfectly weighted. Seats are very comfortable. I have my massage settings on right now. It's really nice, and obviously the build quality in here is top notch. I mean, BMW makes some awesome interiors, especially if you get like a higher end BMW. It doesn't even have to be an M car. I mean, an Alpina M car, or even like a high end like an X5 50i or something like that. It's going to be real nice. This car is ridiculously fast. It picks up speed like without you even trying. Very fast vehicle. It's very comfortable too. Like, seats are comfortable, ride's pretty comfortable. Even in Sport Plus, it feels pretty comfortable. And obviously in Sport Plus, the rev hang's gonna be a little higher, but if you put in like normal mode, it's not really gonna feel like that. This is an insane car, man. Insane is an understatement for something like this. BMW is awesome. And this area is a pretty nice route for test drives. Empty road, nice curvy roads, so you can try out some different cars. Customers really like this test drive route. For dealerships around this area, you'll always see awesome cars going up and down this road. Porsches, Land Rovers, Mercedes, all kinds of cool cars. And BMWs.
Good car.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. This one has 65,000 miles, so respect to the previous owner for really enjoying the car and not just letting it sit in the garage. He or she definitely used this to its potential and used it for probably everything. And yeah, a lot of respect for people who actually drive their cars. I love BMW steering wheels, like M steering wheels. They're so chunky. You have so much, you can grip them so well when you go around corners and stuff like that. I don't like when cars, like performance cars, have thin steering wheels. It's kind of annoying, you know? But yeah, overall impressions, awesome car. Looks amazing, drives amazing, is super fast. BMW is awesome.
The ultimate driving machine.
The ultimate driving machine, truly. Nice Defender. And anyways, that is about it. Thanks as always for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.